Hello and welcome to the ChatGPT course, where in 1 hour you'll learn everything you need to know to get started learning ChatGPT and using it in your work or personal life. To get started, it's a free course, so go ahead and click on the green button to enroll. On the next screen, you want to create an account, so go ahead and enter your first name, last name, email, and a password. Be sure to remember that password, and then click Create an Account. On the next screen, you want to add your profile image by clicking on it and uploading a photo, and then you could click Next. Welcome. Now you have access to the course. You could go ahead and just click Let me explore first right here. Go ahead and you want to bookmark this page so you could come back to the course easily. On the right hand side, you could click this little toggle arrow to collapse that sidebar. You don't need it. And then to begin the first lesson, go ahead and click on the lesson 1 right here. A little sidebar comes out, and you could go ahead and click the expand button right there to make sure it takes up the full screen, and then you could click play to watch the first video. Hello and welcome to the Once you're done watching the video and you want to progress to the next lesson, go ahead and click mark as complete, and that will unlock the next lesson. If you have a question or need help, there are 2 places you can ask. If it's a question related to a specific video, at the very bottom of each page is a little chat form right here that you can ask a question related to this video, for example. And you can click comment, and myself or my team will quickly respond. Or you could click on the X, then you have your lessons, and at the very top right here, table of contents that has the whole course, and on the right hand side we have a general Q&A form. So here you can ask just general questions as well here, and then click enter, and then a member of our team will respond. So go ahead and start learning ChatGPT today. I look forward to seeing you in there. Bye-bye.